This Snackle Box has 8 divided compartments that are great for keeping everything separate, whether it's fruits, nuts, candy, or even small sandwiches. I personally use it for a mix of charcuterie items like cheeses, meats, and crackers, and it keeps everything neat and organized. The plastic is durable and the lid seals tightly, so I don't have to worry about spills during the drive. Plus, it's easy to clean, just a quick rinse, and it's ready for the next trip. I've even used it at home for movie nights or picnics. One of the things that I love most about the Snackle Box is it's not just for car rides, it's perfect for outdoor activities, road trips, or even packing lunches for work or school. The compartments are a good size, so you can pack a variety of different items without getting them mixed up. A couple of small cons: if you're looking for something to hold liquid items like dips, this probably isn't the best fit as the sections aren't fully airtight for that purpose. But for dry snacks, it's perfect. Overall, the Snackle Box container is a great product for anyone who enjoys having their snacks organized and accessible, whether you're on the go or relaxing at home. It's a convenient way to bring your snacks wherever you need them.